welcome to my channel. Hey people, welcome to Mandy G's. And today actually I'm unboxing my equipment. Actually, how do you say that? Equipment and some of my stores for my cooking show that is coming up. You guys don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. And just for you to know, I'm starting my cooking vlog soon. So I went to get some of the stuff I need, some kitchen utensils and some things. And I got a new ring light. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to unbox it. So let's get down into that video. So guys, welcome back to the video. So today, guys, come with me. First of all, we're gonna unbox my microwave. Baking pan, yeah. So next will be the pot, set of pot I got from my store. So that is the pot I got for myself. Actually, this set of pot. And I got chairs, I got my apron, yeah, for my show. At the chair. So guys, I got a dining table. Let me show you guys the inside, which I can easily roll. And this is the other side. I'm going to open it here. It's just like this. You place it up. You there's actually something there to clip it on. Oh my guys. So guys, this is my table, my dining table. I think I'll just leave it here now. Yeah. So guys, going to the Rico. I got a ring light. Hallelujah. Somebody shout hallelujah back down the conversation. Hallelujah. Can you see from the window? Hallelujah. So guys, I got myself a ring light, a bigger ring light, because my former ring light is actually small. Yeah. So I'm upgrading my dear. Yeah. Sorry guys. So this is my new ring light, guys. So this is my new ring light, guys. My new one. This is very, very big. Guys, come closer. So guys, this is it. So I have the tripod of it. Yeah. So sorry guys, my English is horrible. Ask for questions when I can. So guys, I think this is how do you think this one? My little one. Okay. Woo. Guys, I think it's like this. What do you think?
Yeah, this is correct.
So guys, let's fix it. Ouch. This one beautiful. This one that you have to see how I fix it. So guys, for the ring light, let's fix it together. This like this. Then like this. And boom. That's the people. Like this. Then For the middle side, yeah, let's put some stuff inside. So guys, this is how to do it. One, two, and three. The on each you have to do like this here. This guy called closer. This you first like this is like this, then understand. Then you have to spoon. Screw it back like this. You don't have to spoon. That's part of the English. So guys, that's it. Yeah. This is actually the stand for me going on to put your phone. Your phone actually, I don't think this one is for camera or something. I think for camera too, in case. But since we're using our phone, so use this for now. I don't see myself. Don't think I'll be using. Start. The guy thing actually has a remote, which I'm gonna fix now. Just like this. Something for just to control it. I think that's it. And how do we do this? So it can actually go up anyhow you want it. So guys, let's try orange. So guys, so guys, they actually go down. So it's not going to be short. So guys, your favorite girl is short. So this is my leg now. So let's try and fix it. And this stuff, let me show you at the back, guys. Kenny, our camera woman, come to the back to show you.
I'm here, guy.
My dear. Yeah. So I think this should be the side. Oh guys. And this is the control switch like on off. So I'm teaching my followers, calm down my dear. So guys. That's it guys. Let's fix, we need a cable actually. Actually, and let us start. You have to actually on it here. Yeah. So guys see it is on. Then this is the remote. You can just off it and on it. How come I off it? How come on it? You see, off and on. Then when you want to change the section, in case you just want to top up your brown skin, what can you like in the middle? You change the color. I change it, change it. You understand? If you want to brighten it, we brighten it and you reduce it anyhow you want it, my dear.
Good.
It shock you, it's supposed to shock them. So guys, this is my new ring light. So guys, let me show you my cut. Guys, I got a toaster for myself, and actually a lot of them is for myself, so I don't understand which kind of vision on. So I got a toaster for myself for the show. So guys, this is it. Then to open my shoe, guys.
Open, open, please. Ah,
Want people to kidnap me. I'm broke for people. These is people. Yeah. Don't see more of these on the
break
show.
it.
I won't break my team. I'll just buy. You just buy for me. Look at my team. So why don't you like to slime it for me?
Ah,
No
slime
reach.
it.
So guys, this is for you. Can you want me now? For that shoe. It's not money. So guys, the set of pot actually in Russia here we actually in Russia they actually sell the pot like this is one piece, two piece. So they'll be like okay one, two. You get in the previous video I think I showed you guys when I was buying it. This one, this two. So it's a piece. So when I got the one of the three six pieces which is the pot and the cover. But that one I showed you guys earlier. So I got this one separately, which is corresponding to the same design of my pot. You get. So for deep frying, I got this frying pan. Yeah, I got this separately and got this separately yesterday. So I had to buy the cover separately and so that it can actually fit the frying pan. Please don't put my money in for music. Must be funny. Funny text. So guys, for cooking or more stuff, I got this. This comes with that. I got this big pot in case plenty people, like 6 people, want to come to our shop. You know, we'll be right there. So guys, we got grass cup. But let's not forget, we actually have grass cup before here. And we got plates too. This is the bowl, salad bowl. This one goes out. And plates for the show. And you can see that the cups are here too. And I got the cutlery for the show. We have some glass cups inside here. I think that's it. And we can even actually add. I don't know how we're going to add. I'll try and add that later. But you guys can see I actually have another bowl stuff here too. You guys can see all these things you have to just budget and make sure you spend wisely so you don't get before you buy. So this is guys, these are it is inside. For like a pepper soup and anything inside. It is six pieces in one. It's a set. I don't know why camera woman you are confused. Are you not the when I bought it? That is it. 6 pieces. It's cheap or some you buy it in this price. This one is cheap. 199 rupees. You know that this is $1,000. Let's go and buy it. And guys, because I am short, ish, because I'm short, guys, I have to, you know, I think I want to buy what do I call it, ladder. Don't bring this YouTube. I have to buy ladder because go easy. So I think I'll place some of the cups back here again. I think that should be good, you know. I should put this one up. Yeah, and put this down. So guys, hopefully before second week of September, I'm gonna drop our first cooking vlog. Yeah, I hope so. And school is resuming, so I'm gonna have the time to post more content on the show. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And look at the place I got. This beautiful. Kemi chose this one. Thank you for the credit, Kemi. God bless you.
Welcome.
So this is the bowl. If you don't grace too, thank you so much for choosing this for me. I think that is it. Ouch. Is it cracking? No. So guys, we got there's one chemist stuff I wanted us to get too. Sorry, that's my diet biscuit. This one like fish for like grilled fish and chicken. You can use this one, which is nice. But we saw another one which is like fish image, but it is actually too thin. You could break pieces. This one is better. The quality is better. And we have some shorts. You guys know what shorts are like. All these short stuff like for maybe our games. You understand, guys? For our games, you get. Calm down. You're not the dog one, so you let you calm down. So guys, we're gonna be eating, and you know these are shorts for alcohol, wine. No more doing games. Yeah, thank you. I think that's it. And, Guys, thank you for tuning in and God bless you guys. And some people are actually asking how much I budgeted to buy all these things. I actually used $500, right? Yeah, $500 just to buy all the things I need. Because I needed to like buy stuff for the show and buy stuff for my apartment too. So I actually have my son. I have my blender too, guys. Let me show you guys. I have my blender. I got my blender too from AliExpress too. I showed you guys the last video, yeah. So if you have close to like $300 or close to 400, close to 500, you'll be able to buy what you want. Like how to explain, like with full chest and obi without being scared, and change will still remain. Depends on how you spend. I should spend wisely. And for doing that, I got it on 5,080 rubles, which is cheap, I think, because the sign is very good and it's working well. So it's even better. It looks like a studio rental, like my dear studio apartment, my dear. So very soon, guys, when I arrange everywhere, the next vlog after arranging everywhere, I'm gonna show you guys around my apartment, my toilet, my bedroom, my veranda, and everything. But for today, that's all for today kitchen tour to start Mandy cooking show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget, this is Mandy J, and my tag name is Mandy. And the person behind the camera is Kenzie. Kenzie, say hi. Say hi.
Let me embarrass myself, please.
Oh yeah.
Stop this. Kenzie! That's Kenzie, our camera woman.